amplifier timer has a voltage divider, two comparators, a flip-flop, which are combined and configured in such a way that if the comparator attached to pin 2 of the IC detects a voltage less than 1/3 of the voltage, it turns on the output, and if the comparator connected to pin 6 detects a voltage greater than 2/3 of the voltage, it turns off the output. So when you touch the probes connected to pin 2 and pin 1, you are essentially providing 0 volts to the comparator connected to pin 2, which will turn on the output. And when you are touching the probes connected to pin 6 and pin 8 of the IC, you are essentially providing the supply voltage to the comparator connected to pin 6, which turns off the output. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos.